Are you looking for the best cannoli in the entire world? Well, we've got a video for you.
Yes, today we just arrived on the city of Palermo, the capital of Sicily and the birthplace of cannoli, apparently. So, and we're gonna go look for the best cannoli we can find and let you know.
All right, let's do it.
Let's go.
Okay, so we are walking down the main road, and where are we going first?
First stop is going to be the Pasticceria Cappello. Apparently they're in business for a long time and they make awesome cannoli. So
Now,
let's go take a look.
What does a cappello mean? It sounds like a
Cappello
chapel.
means hat,
Oh, a hat. Okay, all right. Well, let's go to
but it's the last name most likely.
All right. Okay, let's go to some cannoli. Actually, we're walking so fast.
You're out of breath, you're running for cannoli.
Exactly, I'm running for cannoli. All right, so we made it to the Pasticceria Cappello, and guess what?
They're closed for renovation.
So we're gonna have to hunt for some more amazing cannoli. Let's go.
Let's go.
All right, next up, we have found Donna Franca.
Donna Franca, Pasticceria Donna Franca. Apparently they make very good cannoli.
All right.
Let's try the first one. Okay, let me try it. The shell is really crispy. The filling is sweet, but not too sweet. And they have a good flavor. Actually, it's a very good cannoli. Cannoli number one, pretty good.
Yeah, so that cannoli was pretty good.
Was it the best one? Not sure. Let's continue.
Yeah. All right, here we are. We have arrived at the cannoli company.
Yes, they are around since 1024, so 999 years old.
Incredible.
Let's go try.
All right.
Oh, and they're filling here in front of us. So,
Awesome.
wow. So for this cannoli, we have decided to try pistachio. So you're gonna buy the cioccolato, I'm gonna buy the pistachio.
All right.
Perfect.
All right, so in case you're wondering, a cannolo is kind of like, it starts with a shell. It kind of looks like a taco, but deep fried, Italian style. And then what they do is they fill it with ricotta, with a ricotta filling, which is actually a sweet ricotta. So it's got a little bit of sugar inside of it, and then maybe some pistachio, maybe they put something called canditi or something like that.
And in this case is chocolate.
In this case, we've got chocolate and pistachio. Chocolate's my favorite, so I am going to start with that side. Here we go. If you want to eat a cannolo here in Palermo, give me a thumbs up on this video.
Oh, yeah. And one word of advice, make sure to have a napkin.
First thoughts, perfectly sweet, perfect chocolate, sunny day, can't complain. This is definitely one of the best cannoli in the world.
Right. And now it's my turn to buy the pistachio side.
Tastes like super heavy. Yeah.
Crisp. The ricotta still has a little tang. Very creamy, very smooth, delicious. Very good cannoli. Is it the best one in the world? I don't know. We have to continue. And just to clarify, we asked. They're not in business in 1024. 1024 is apparently the year where they invented the cannoli somewhere. So, good to know. And here we are in Palermo, in front of another famous pasticceria, which is an institution in Palermo, the Pasticceria Costa. We're gonna try their cannoli.
All right, let's go.
And here we have the third cannoli of the day. This one is very sweet. There's lots of chocolate chips inside. The ricotta is not as fragrant as the previous one, but the shell is incredibly crisp. That was pretty good. It's the best one. I don't know yet. We continue.
All right, so my turn. So far, they're 2 for 2. They're about the same. Let's give this one a try.
He bites. You know, when you're on camera, you should take small bites. I'm gonna set some music here.
Right, so this one was not quite as sweet as the other two, which is probably a good thing because
I think it's so sweet.
no, this one was not as sweet as the other two.
What?
But would I? Is this the best one? I'm not so sure. Let's continue. We'll find out.
And here we are in front of the Fontana Pretoria, or Fontana della Vergogna, Fountain of Shame, because there's lots of nudity in this fountain, and the nuns that were in the convent over there didn't really like that idea. So the nun in the convent, apparently they invented the cannoli, so we have to go in there and try them.
So instead of looking at the fountain, they made cannoli. All right. Interesting. Let's go. All right, we're here at the convent, and wouldn't you believe it? There's actually a line to get into this place. This place must be pretty good.
Good. And this is the place.
All right, so we made it past the church, and now we have a nice little line, as you can see behind me. Apparently, it's about 10 minutes from this particular point, so
We wait for the best cannoli in Palermo.
maybe this is the first place that we had to wait, so maybe this place might be the best cannoli.
in
You
the
never know.
world.
You never know. So the line wasn't that terrible, only about 10 minutes.
About 10 minutes, as they promised. So now we just have to wait for the lady to call our number, and we pass the cannoli the way we want.
Sounds good.
Word of caution, they are gigantic, so...
Oh, yes. So maybe don't eat 5 of them in one day.
Yeah.
But the things we do for YouTube, give us a like if you like what we're doing. Now we gotta pay the lady.
And apparently they ship all over the world. And here we are at the convent, having cannolo number 4. Is this the best one? We'll find out.
Well, this is 4 of 4, so we had to wait. This is the longest wait that we've had so far. So let's see what happens. Let's do this together, okay?
And waits a ton.
Here we are. Mmm.
Crispy, sweet, very sweet,
No, not that sweet.
very sweet. Crispy, flavorful.
Mine, the chocolates come right through. Lots of ricotta.
Is it the best one? Still disputed.
I have to think about it.
So after a few bites, I have to admit, this is the crispiest one that I've had so far. It's incredibly crunchy, and that might be part of being the best one. I don't know.
I
Definitely
think,
worth the wait.
I think, if I had to think about it, I think this is probably the best cannoli in the entire world.
Has
Go-
a hint of orange as well, by the way.
Go to the convent in Palermo. Check it out. Link in the description below for more information.
Wait in line.
All right, so we've given it some thought about.
The best cannoli in the world. So Rick, what do you think?
I think my favorite cannolo was this one. I have to say, after almost 1,000 years of making cannoli, or at least a recipe that's at least 1,000 years old, this one was the best one. What do you think, Andrea?
Well, to me, I don't think I found the best cannoli in the world yet. So, but if you know a better place for cannoli, leave us a comment below. We would love to know what you think, and go try it out next time we're in Palermo.
Oh, that's a great idea. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and we hope to see you again
On our next
sometime.
video.
Absolutely. And of course, if you see us, if you happen to see us out and about, don't hesitate to say hello. Thanks so much for watching. See you
Ciao.
soon.